Approximately about 45% of the produce is being wasted around the world due to inefficient transportation and environmental conditions. So we as a team have developed PackSense, which is a sensing module that monitors the important parameters that have an impact on food spoilage. The real-time data sent from this module can be used by a food packaging company in making an ideal box, which can help extend the shelf life of the produce, as well as keep its freshness intact.
So we're sensing for 4 parameters with our module. Those are temperature, humidity, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Temperature and humidity are necessary to control for because they elevate inside the system, and their elevation can lead to growth of microflora because of water condensation and surface. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are controlled because they're directly influenced by produce respiration. Usually in industry, oxygen and carbon dioxide are held within packages at concentrations which are lower and higher than atmospheric respectively. Our module, we hope, can provide the industry with a way to design passive modified atmosphere packagings that can counteract the effects of generation and consumption within the system with adjustment of the porosity and the polymer properties of the package.
Okay, so as you can see, data from the Arduino is sent to via Bluetooth connection, and there's an alert system. So as she blows on the temperature and humidity sensor, within 5 to 10 seconds, the value will show up on the device. The reason for this alert is to let users know whenever a value crosses a threshold, as those threshold values are values where food spoilage is likely to occur. The same things for oxygen, and the oxygen will show a limit as well. So we are in the process of developing a fully realized app, which will have a more desirable user interface and will also depict the values in a clearer way. So the importance of the PackSense is that we're aiming to reduce the amount of money that's lost per year due to food spoilage. So currently $300 billion is lost per year due to food spoilage, and approximately 45% of produce, so that is fruits and vegetables, are lost during the transportation cycle. In addition, what we'd like to do is we'd like to improve all of our sensors. So we'd like to increase sensitivity, precision, and accuracy, as well as decreasing our module size for ease of packaging and for ease of use for any clients. That being said, once that's done, we would like to market our item to companies such as Pasco, who would like to improve upon their packaging and extend the shelf life of their products. Our current market price is around $360 Canadian. We do recognize that may change as we advance throughout. Overall, the PackSense is designed to help companies develop intelligent packaging and improve not only the food industry, but also the world as a whole.